The first step to adding a button is, of course, to add a node. We can search up button and we'll have a few different kinds. Button is the most basic one, so let's go ahead and add that. And if you zoom in, you'll find this little box. If we expand it, we can now move it towards the center of the screen, put in the text play, and what we can do now is add a script to that button. We can make it built in or not, it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and delete this code. And now, if we go to the Signals tab, hit pressed, double click it, and attach it to the buttons, you'll now see that we have this signal here. From one of our previous videos, we learned how to change scenes. So let's go ahead and just paste that in here. And now when I hit play inside of the menu button, we now have this button. We can press play, and now we're in the second scene.